How's it going, guys? I'm going to take a break from practicing with my black hunter longbow just to talk about Sunday hunting for a few moments. And this isn't going to be a, Sunday hunting's great or I'm totally against it. It's not going to be one of those videos. I want to talk about how Sunday hunting has impacted the way I hunt or changed the way I hunt. I'm a working guy like probably a lot of you guys are. I don't get a lot of chances to hunt Monday through Friday, and I like hunting public land. If I get a chance to go out in the afternoon after work, I don't have time to travel all the way to where I like to hunt on the public, so I usually hunt the afternoons on private property someplace close to home. Those are small farms and they have a lot of guys hunting on them, so they get a lot of pressure, especially on the weekends. So I prefer to be out on the game lands or the state forests or state parks. If you watch my videos before, you'll know I've said a couple times, I think for me, my chances of getting a nice buck are just as good on our public land in Pennsylvania as they are on any of the private farms that I have permission to hunt. I'm in Bucks County. There's good deer here. There's good deer on the game lands, and there's good deer on private property, of course, as well. But how has Sunday impacted me? Well, it's pretty simple. I used to go out and hunt on Saturday mornings where the bugs are bad. I used to go out and hunt on Saturday mornings, excuse me. I would go to a spot that I had probably scouted the Sunday before. So the deer had Monday through Friday to change their patterns. And a lot of times it was because of me. I believe in the law of diminishing results, and that means if a deer has a chance to smell that you've been someplace, there's less chance of you seeing him from that spot. So if you're a weekend hunter like I am, and you consistently return to the same stand every Saturday morning or every Saturday afternoon, odds are that in subsequent trips you'll see fewer deer. So how has Sunday hunting impacted that? It's pretty simple, actually. I use my Saturday now to give myself a very good opportunity on Sunday mornings. I don't hunt Sunday afternoons. I'll hunt someplace close to where I park on Saturdays, and I use late winter scouting, early spring scouting to find those areas. And more than likely those will be ground hunting opportunities, or someplace where I can hang a stand 2 weeks before the season and get in there and hunt. I don't like hunting a stand and leaving it close to the road. A lot of people out there, and not that there's a lot of bad people out there, but I just don't want the wrong person to see my stand out there, and when I show up Saturday morning, it's not there anymore. So I'll use my Saturday morning to hunt close to the road, very close, someplace that has good deer sign, someplace that I can expect to see some deer, but I don't have immediate intel. So I'll show up and I'll hunt that on Saturday morning. I'll gauge what kind of activity the deer are having close to the road where I'm hunting. I'll watch the other hunters to see how they're accessing the woods, if there are any, because quite frankly I hunt public land all over the southeast here in Pennsylvania, and I rarely ever see another hunter. I'm not impacted by other hunters here for the most part. But when my Saturday morning hunt is over, I won't leave and go back to the car. I'll look for a good spot to hunt on Saturday afternoon, and that's when I'll move a little bit deeper into the game lands or to the state forest. I'll find some fresh sign at that point. Now, in years gone by, if I had gone out further into the game lands in the dark on Saturday morning to hunt a spot that I thought was very good, I might see some deer, but on my way out that morning, I would see fresh sign and realize that I probably walked through an area that may have been better than the spot that I chose for Saturday morning. Keep in mind, we couldn't hunt Sunday morning, so my morning hunt for Sunday wouldn't have counted, and that area would have been shot. Wouldn't have been any good for the following Saturday due to the law of diminishing returns. So what I do is I use scouting time after Saturday mornings now to find a good spot to set up for Saturday afternoon. And a lot of times I'll be in a spot that has fresh sign from deer on Saturday morning. Now I have a stand on my back when I go in there on Saturday afternoon. I'll hang that stand, and if I don't see my deer on Saturday afternoon, I now have a fresh hunt for Sunday morning in case those deer are coming through on Sundays or on Sunday morning and not on Saturday afternoon. Now, what have I seen as a result from hunting that way? Quite frankly, I would think after people being in the woods on Saturday that the activity would be a little bit less on Sunday morning. But hunting this way, I kept stats. Last year I saw more deer on Sunday mornings than I probably ever saw on most Saturday mornings. Do I expect those same results next year or this fall? I wouldn't say I expect them, but I really wouldn't be surprised if I use my same plan just to hunt close on Saturday mornings, close to the road, close to where I park, and then use late Saturday afternoon or late morning on Saturday to find fresh sign where the deer were that morning. Use my setup on Saturday afternoon, taking myself in a very good spot for Sunday morning. I would expect to see more deer Sunday morning than I did on my Saturday morning hunt. I just thought I'd take a few minutes and give you guys an idea how I'm going to change the way I hunt now that we're allowed to hunt on all Sunday mornings. If this helps anybody, I mean, that's great. If you feel differently, tell me in the comments. I want to hear how you think Sunday morning's not going to work for you, or how Sunday won't improve your opportunities. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share it with your friends. And again, this isn't a I'm all for Sunday or I'm traditional and I don't like Sundays. We're allowed to hunt Sunday now, so I'm going to use that opportunity to hunt. Okay, and I hope you guys will too, because remember, we're all on the same team. Have a good one, guys.